In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in PayPal. Getting your time zone right keeps your recent activity, payments, and downloadable statements aligned with your local time, which can prevent confusion when you're reconciling transactions or tracking disputes. First, head to the PayPal website and open your account summary. Use a trusted browser and make sure you're on the official PayPal domain before you proceed. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. If not, you may be prompted to authenticate before you can continue. Once you're on the summary page, you're in the right place to adjust your account preferences. Next, open Settings. Look for the small gear icon, typically near the top right of the page. Clicking this opens your account settings area. On some layouts, especially on smaller screens, the gear may be behind a profile avatar or a menu button. Either way, you want the section that controls your account preferences and profile details. Give the page a moment to load so all options populate. Now, find the time zone option. It's usually listed under Account Settings or Account Preferences, and sometimes grouped with Date and Time or Locale settings. If you don't spot it immediately, use your browser's Find feature and search for the word Time to jump straight to it. Keep in mind that interface labels can vary slightly depending on your account type and region, but the wording will be close to time zone. Finally, change it now. Open the time zone drop-down and pick the location that matches where you are. If your exact city isn't listed, choose a nearby major city in the same time zone. Pay attention to daylight saving time. Many zones indicate whether they adjust automatically, so choose the one that reflects your local practice. After selecting, look for a Save, Update, or Confirm button and click it to apply your change. You should see the setting update immediately. From here on, your activity timestamps and report exports will reflect the new zone. This won't rewrite past timestamps, so older entries keep their original time. That's normal. If you don't see a time zone setting, it may be managed differently for certain regions or account types. In that case, check the same settings area for related locale or regional preferences. When in doubt, a quick look at PayPal's Help Center can clarify what's available for your account. That's it! You've updated your PayPal time zone, so your records match your local time and your workflow stays accurate.